What's up guys, and welcome to the next video. This video we're talking about what is Thryv and exactly what does Thryv CRM do for you and your company. So if someone would have told me the secret like 5 years ago, I would have been a lot further than where I am right now. There's a couple of things we need to understand about how CRMs work and how they all tie together. Think of your business as a network of different metadata, descriptions, SEO, and backlinks all attached to each other. The best companies have all of these linked together and they all work together synonymously. So the companies that don't have a CRM in place, a good CRM in place, aren't gonna have these fundamentals. I have explained this in a couple different ways. For example, if you have a house you're building, think of the CRM as the rebar and the concrete of that house, all the plumbing, all the foundational work. Imagine a house or a business with no plumbing, no electrical, no foundation, no rebar, and they just put up all the wood, all the 2x4s and build a home. And it may look nice from the outside. However, it doesn't have the fundamentals or the foundation in order to actually finish and build the house and make it a fully functional home. That is the difference between a person with a functioning CRM and online presence and someone who is just doing it and relying on word of mouth. No matter how beautiful your website is, it does not bring leads unless Google can scan it and rank you as an organically high optimized business website. So you're competing with all the other companies who have the best organic content on their website, the best meta descriptions, SEO, and images that qualify them with Google in order to be ranked high. So if you don't have these things, it's not your fault. It is purely that you just don't know, okay? Some people do know, or they get an idea of it and then they don't implement it. What I'm telling you guys right now is that Thryv is the most important part of your business model. And if you don't implement this, we can't run Google ads, we can't get Google reviews, we can't tag Google to anything, and we can't even track your data and analytics. So if you guys take anything from this entire first part of this business course is to implement the Thryv CRM. Everything else is super important too, but without Thryv, without a proper CRM that builds your website, that you can talk to them, that they can do multiple revisions of your website and copy, for example, my website, then we don't want to work with the CRM company who can't offer those things. So this right here, guys, is the most important video you guys can watch. If you guys are interested in signing up with Thryv and trying them out, make sure to click the link below, schedule a call with me. Let's talk a bit more about why it's right for you, why this is the proper system to get you going, and why, if you guys want to work with an advertising company in the future, or you guys want to run ads for your company in the future to acquire those leads, why it's so important. So schedule that 15-minute or 10-minute consultation with me. Let's talk about how Thryv can help your business, and let's get you signed up for a demo and an audit of your website. So if you guys followed every single step up to this step, you should already have all of your social links and everything tied together. But for some more information to see how I use Thryv in my business, watch the video next. And that's actually an interview with me and Kristen, which she'll be your account rep, but I'm the guy who connects you to her. So click the link below. Let's get you set up and started with the call. All right, guys, see you in the next video.